that's okay. Make sure you're doing it with us. So I do want to go over the bell work first. So number 1 and 2. You had to write it in both forms. So the first one is point slope form. How do I write number 1 in point slope form? DJ? Y minus? Which one's your x and which one's your y? Yes, because this is your x1 and your y1. So it'd be y minus 5 equals
4, and then x minus 2.
Good. So then that should have been your first answer. Any questions on that? Thumbs up if you got that. Okay. Now for the second answer, you have to get it into slope-intercept form. So what do I have to do first? Josie? I distribute. What do you get when you distribute?
4x, and then minus 8.
Good. Okay, and what do I do next? Shelby? Add 5. Which one do I add 5 to? Okay, so I get y equals 4x what?
4x minus 9.
Thumbs up if you got that for your second answer. If you didn't, make sure you fix it.
See, I just figured out what I did wrong.
Yes. We are going over your bell work, so that's okay for right now. Number 2. Okay, you have to write it in point slope form. What are we missing?
Slope.
The slope. So how do you find the slope, Michaela?
Rise over 1.
Rise over run, or what's the equation that we use?
y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1.
Good. So then I just go through and label this. This would be my x1, y1, x2, y2. So when I substitute, what's y2?
-1
Minus y1 over x2
-2
minus x1.
-3.
So -1 minus 1.
Is -2.
-2 plus 3.
1.
1. So my slope is
-2.
-2. Okay, so now how do you write it into point slope form, Brianna?
Y minus 1
Mhm.
equals -2.
Parentheses. Plus 3, because it's minus a -3, which is the same as plus 3. So thumbs up if you have that.
I got that.
Did anybody use the second point? If you use the second point, so this one over here, it would have been y plus 1 equals -2 parentheses x plus 2.
So
Yeah. Yeah. Questions on that? Jude, are you following along with me? Yeah. Okay. What do I do first to get it into slope-intercept form? Max, what do you do first? Distribute, so what do you get?
2x
Good. I'm just going to write it as -6. And I still have that equal to y minus 1. Now what do I do? Sarah, how do we get y by itself? So I have a y minus 1, so what do I do to get rid of the minus 1?
Oh,
Add 1. So then you would get y equals -2x minus or -5, yes. So that should have been your second one. Thumbs up if you got that. Okay, perfect. All right, what you're going to do next is